It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times or co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune United 0. It means Mamelodi Sundowns are top of the table in the Betway Premiership. Although Orlando Pirates will have an opportunity to respond tomorrow as well. Season unfolding nicely. It's a formation of a two-horse race. However, when you sleep tonight, just know that Sundowns is number 1, Pirates is number 2, Chippa United is number 3 in the log table in South Africa, our land. Well done to Chippa United. Well done to the coaches as well. They won tonight and they are number 3 in the Betway Premiership standings. Will that be the end of the season? Will that be the picture at the end of the season? We don't know. But we watch Sundowns. Sekhukhune, Junior Kanya, our analyst. What did you make of this game, sir?
Yeah, I came for to say very quickly and simple. I think this game, Sekhukhune United, I think lack of a team redeem. I need to be honest, the coach, I think as a pride of mine, but we need to be realistic. He's got players. Abantu abanjengabo Thabang Manare, Keletso Makhaula, I mean to say, Banning Cardoso as well. Yeah. So those players, those are high profile players. Bonube. Those team a combination yabo. You try to find a combination to challenge some abantu abanjengabo Sundowns, Bonabo Chiefs. I need to be honest, the team I think there's no redeem in his team. It's a pride of mine, I know, but Agabe no redeem. There's no combination play. I need to be honest. First half, I think Sundowns they're playing Afinaki too much. Utropi team yonke. But the Sundowns, this is not the best game for them. We need to be honest. They are not at their best. But because of individual brilliance, also they took their chances. First goal, I think it's an own goal. Well done to Mdiba. There's a say it cross Mausha Yambi pants. And it did exactly this between the goalkeeper and the defense, with 6 area, and then a slight defense, and then it was a goal. But overall performance in German players, I think because Mangiti.
Let's go to the second goal before you go anywhere.
Yeah.
Was that a penalty for you?
Out David. Yeah. David Urenas. We need to be realistic. Urenas David. I understand South African referees, they are killing football, man. Wrong enzile. And when man of the measure salis, I scale him.
No.
Like South Africa.
No, that's not right.
Isn't this is where I is?
That's not right.
That's
That's not right. No, but he didn't do anything other than scoring the penalty.
No, the guy who
He missed so many opportunities.
One guy too, but the guy Mamela Korea pass.
Oh no.
Yeah, so yeah, Nkulego is shocking. It's as our South African football.
Well, in this moment, we can blame the broadcasters, the presenters, and the commentators because they're the ones who choose man of the match. Jeez. Okay. Please go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, I need to be honest. Not one of the best game with Sundowns. It's because of you put players that sometimes they don't play regularly. When Mkhulisa kadlali regularly, this guy Salis doesn't play regularly. Certain players, never you can't play Obas ahead of Mkwena. I don't understand. Mkwena is a national asset, a South African player that he can play in any way. Ngikhuluma any team in Betway Premiership which between two esikhuluma ngama team ayi-3 was South Africa amakhulu angadlala Mkwena regular as well bamnike ne-ampelt. In Europe there are certain countries that you can play.
Al Ahly can play, top African clubs.
Al Ahly you can play, Boitat you can play as well. Spain you can play that guy. Yeah, Bochiron you can play. Naguyo you can compete. Nagometri Tunos, Barcelona, yes you can play because they play the way we play. But now if uzothatha Mkwena umbe ngaphandle coach and then you put Obas, obviously njengoba ngisho there will be no redeem in the team. Team yabo namhlanje they never dominated this game. They took their chances. A second goal, I think there was a fake of penalty. I think the second goal changed the complexion of the game after the penalty. I think it bullied morally Sekhukhune. Also, well done credit to the coach Manqoba Mngqithi for bringing the Utupili, Uneo Maema. Also Mkwena, there was a game management. Ile game efana kushuthi ile ndithi game Chiefs be iKaizer Chiefs lekhe yona. There was a game management. management. Well done to the players. Ngikhuluma ngomkwena uBilly, uNeo Maema, the way they apply themselves mabafika ubonile Sundowns kula ubona khona circulate ibhola. It looks, that's why batholene goal number 3 very very easily. There was a square pass bamtholile umrena or bring square pass ubheka uRenas how it turns. I think the Autilia is a goal poucher. He knows ukuthi
Oh, that was a fabulous goal by
Yeah,
Renas.
Ipalan move.
Because the way that he received the ball, and then you kind of thought, okay, he doesn't know what he's going to do. And then when he shot, you look at the goalkeeper Pangare, he's like, oh, what am I supposed to do? He hit the inside of the post, the way that he finished. Oh, Renas is improving the finishing. He's getting more and more clinical.
Remind me of Colin Besuma.
Yes,
Ngingambuza
sis.
mina uBesuma ukuthi wawukora kangaka. Sometimes you turn and shoot without looking at the panel move junior. I look at the line in panel move. Le statement sahlala leyothile anyeke uthene ngule kungalibheka ngibhala ulibeke lapha libona. No straight in the goalkeeper. He's a goal poucher natural. So he has proved ukuthi I don't know. I think he's a totally different player compared to
What do you think has worked? Because I remember when we spoke together, when he joined Sundowns, and we spoke, and I even did mention this as well, that at Supersport United, it didn't work out.
Yeah.
He failed when he came to the Gauteng province. And then he went to Stellenbosch, and he became a star player there in Stellenbosch. And the worry from yourself, and I think even myself and so as well, that, okay, now he's coming back to the big city, Etswan, in Gauteng, Johannesburg as well. He may not, it may not work out at Sundowns. There's competition for places. What has happened so that it works? Because he's a national team striker now, the number one striker at Bafana Bafana. Him and Lyle Foster are fighting for that number one. Sometimes it's Mahopa. What has worked for him that he is able to finish? He's got 4 goals in the league so far this season.
Sometimes when you come to Gusu Echuzi, it deals with mindset. Ingqondo yakho, I think he was tested in Joburg. Kwenzeka kahle ukuthi abe away from Cape Town. Go and experience some of actually experience. Going back to Cape Town was a redeemer. Uthe makabuya, especially wanted by Sundowns. Training, starting training, the way they train him, I think him improved. Because
Sure.
ngizoba nje neqiniso mina watching uHlompo before. uHlompo ngeke ngadlala under 20 na under 23 national team. uHlompo Pitso improve Hlompo waba yenye into. He was something else. So it goes down a training. Umkwena, yes, he was good to Supersport, but not the way it's Katagurulani. We
He
need
took
to
him
be,
to another level. Urban.
yes. So kunama coaches that they take out the best out of players. So compliment coach Elumchito Renas. Maybe Asala, mhlambe for 1 hour 30 minutes after a game, after training, we don't know, or him uyazenzel. Because amanye amaplayer ngikule shama extras asale after training. And then practice this because manga cheka this goal khona goal mina leli ngiyalibona ngibona goal eChiefs ela 7p laba ne extra touch and then alibeka lapha lishaya side net akora but ku side net anguleka kusiza kwenza leyo to pick that spot ubheka ama penalty wakhe noma goalkeeper liboni akafiki because he knows how to score. So leyawuthile man, compliment to him. Also, the surrounding of Sundowns, mention, is surrounded by Ribeiro. Always they're gonna fit him. A coach believe away. Before also perform, a coach must believe in you. They believe in this guy. Urenas is a hard-working player. He runs, he also defends, and is coachable. Is willing to work, and he's got that character as well. Well done to him, and he has improved a lot. And now, as usual, he's number 1 good national team. There's no way you can call a national team you don't call him.
All right, let's wrap it up. One more question. Uso Coach Mangoba. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. And then on other matches, it's go wide, crosses. What do you think his head is at with regards to his style as Sundowns? Because I don't think Sundowns fans will be happy, even if he can win 3 trophies, if he doesn't play football properly.
Yeah, I need to be honest. The style of play at Sundown, the philosophy has changed. There's no identity. The identity of the team previous. I need to when you video it sound boring, but it's the truth. I need to repeat this. Upitso has built a team, Orlando maintain it. He had a possibility to he can take even higher the team. A young coach as well. The players have responded very well. And they bring young players with the HSS site in Labo. But creating a competition. Being national team players, those ends up easy for a coach. But the coach came, he's making unnecessary substitutes. Ngikhuluma ngokuthi kunama-player whereby wabeka standing unnecessary, sometimes put players on the bench unnecessary, like unokubeka umkwena ngaphandle, umndawo ngaphandle, umdiba ngaphandle, ubeka umvala ngaphandle. I don't understand why. That's why ngisho ngithi uManqoba ngiyamuzwa ukuthi asihlaleni. The question is, how phela ile nto bengiyibuza nangonabi namhla, uManqoba unamagame ayi-6 took over as a coach. Look at how the team plays. If from the first game bozombona ukuthi uManqoba mhlambe noma ngasi first game, but these players, they know each other.
If you believed in it.
Bekumele ngabe ushilo ukuthi asaleni, and what the way he was playing, makaqala first game long balls, crosses, cause udlala naye ngumrena, or mangabe khona umndawo, and then there must be a cross, and then they finish. So it's not a belief yangicaka ukuthi washo kanje. He's lying to face a camera, and I'm sorry kusho so, but it's the truth. And I think they told him sometimes na legend that they did to farewell na buthiani Mabunda but kumdiso Hlompo as baning. The list goes on. The players, those people, they know the team, the identity, the culture of the team. I think he was told to say that.
All right, there you are. Thank you very much, Junior. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns, the number one. Orlando Pirates, it's your turn to respond tomorrow as we formulate this title race chase. It's very good to be able to tell a story in South African football. We are in December tomorrow, and we still don't know where the league is going, and that's the whole point. We should never know where the league is going. Well done to Chippa United as well for being in the higher end of the league. Will that be the case towards the end of the season? We shall see. Maybe they might just go a season without changing a coach, and that for them will be a record. It is Good TV, it is Good Times. Also, Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.